Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dana and today I made carrot cake and I had to share the recipe with you. Okay, I edited this recipe about 5 times, so it better come out good this time. I will start with the ingredients for the batter. I have here 70 grams of flour, half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, a pinch of salt, 60 milliliters of sunflower or canola oil, 100 grams of sugar, 1 egg, 50 grams of carrots, and 35 grams of walnuts. Pretty precise, and the cake is pretty small but will be delicious. After I peeled and washed the carrot, I'm gonna grate it on the finer grater. I'll chop the walnuts with a knife on a chopping board. And I will mix the walnuts with the flour. So we mix these dry ingredients, and doing this we ensure that the walnuts will not sink at the bottom of the cake. I added baking soda and also cinnamon. It's gonna give lots of flavor, and this cake it's all about flavor and fall, and cinnamon is part of fall and also walnuts, at least in my culture. So we have here dry ingredients. Let's crack that egg and start mixing it with sugar. Add a pinch of salt to bring out the sweetness of this cake, and add sugar gradually and continue to mix. After all that sugar is incorporated, let's add now sunflower oil. This looks almost like mayonnaise, so continue to mix and incorporate that oil. We're gonna have a creamy mixture over here. Incorporate those dry ingredients that we mixed earlier, and of course add the carrots. It's all about them, so let's not forget this grated carrot, and fold it in. Pour now the batter into the cake tin. I lined the tin with baking paper. It's a small one, 15 centimeter in diameter. Try not to pour all the batter in the middle of the tin because you're gonna end up with a domed cake. So distribute the batter all around the tin. Bake this in the preheated oven at 180 Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit for about 20-25 minutes. Make sure to do the toothpick test. So stick a toothpick in the middle of the cake, and if that will come out dry, the cake is baked, and you can let it cool down on a grater. Let it cool down completely before you even think about adding a frosting on top of it, and remove that baking paper as well. Now for the frosting, we need 113 grams of cream cheese, 60 grams of salt butter, cinnamon of course, and 150 grams of powdered sugar. Soft butter, I'm gonna mix it up with that powdered sugar. I'm gonna use mixer here. I did a lot of arms today on my workout, so I don't need to do more, so use the mixer. Mix in that powdered sugar until everything is nice, incorporated and mixed really well, and we're gonna add cream cheese next. I added just a bit, but now I'll put the rest and mix it in with the mixer. And don't forget about cinnamon. And this is everything. So I put that cream cheese frosting in a piping bag, and when the sponge cake was cold, I decorate the cake with it. It's delicious, and the cake, as you can see, is pretty easy to prepare. Decorate it as you like, using that piping tip, and sprinkle some cinnamon at the end. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're gonna prep these as well, and you're gonna tell me in the comments what you think about it. Have an awesome day. Find reasons to smile, and I'm gonna see you here next time with another recipe. Bye bye.